Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody posted this picture on Facebook, and the font, this isn't a very good picture of it because it's kind of fuzzy, but the font has some hollow points on the inside, and they were asking how to do that. Well, all you do is type out your font. Let's just take the letter A or T and take it and then change the font to whatever you want. I guess I used that one right there, Blacklist maybe, or this one. No, let's see which one I used. Blacklit. Well, that even looks better. Then go up here to left click, right click, and convert it to a curve, and then go up to effects and contour it. Let's try 0.03, too large for that particular font. 0.2, still too large. 0.1, because we're doing it to the inside. So that's how you would make that particular font. And you could actually change it to, let's back up and let's change it to rounded corners. See what it does. That looks a little better. And then just take your Smart Fill tool and fill in that outside. And you can play with this a lot and do some bunch of other things, but here's the one I did. So let's just erase this. And I've set my nudge distance on, these letters are only 3 inches tall, so I can set my nudge distance on 4. And this particular font isn't like that one they have, but if you can pick a font that's kind of like that, just use your Smart Fill tool and fill it in and nudge it up. And every one of them will be like that. It'll have a hollow center, and that's how you would do that. And of course, a cursive font would probably look better, and there's a lot you could do with it. I didn't take the time to find this font, but that wasn't really their question. Their question was how to make it look like that. So this will engrave just like that. It'll have a center, and you can always test it with your yellow box trick. Fill that in with yellow and put it in the back of the page, and that's what it would look like engraved. There's no white in it, it's a background. Anyway, I hope that answered their question a little bit, and thank you for watching.